Uh, fuck. Sorry. I fell for you. I don't know. I don't know whose camera that was. If you make you feel better, Ben Hogan did that. Yeah, I think there's a video online. Yeah, so I kind of wanted to get out further, but now the only thing that I'm seeing is that he's absolutely, incredibly doing what he should be doing. The only thing that he has to do is staring. You're staring at. I call it the sighted line in my book. Because I know that if you talk about lines, they're really circles. But when you're looking, I guess you don't look in circles. But even though these eyes are circles, the mouth is circles, the golf ball's a circle, the world's a circle. But now he's perfect. Because before, if he did that, he'd be out to the right. Now he's over here. But once he does that, you want to say, hey, Spencer, don't change to your left side. I'm coming over. I'm moving your foot back. I'm trying to find a shoe. I got all kinds of shoes. This is a shoe here. Now, so what you want to do, you want to have him move his right foot back the half of the width of his shoe. So what that does, that's going to have him, what I said, you want everything here. You don't want anything low, way over here. You want everything inside, up, and under. But then, with that right foot back a little bit, he's going to be then going through, and then everything, you want to drop the club. If you're going to drop the club, you want it over to the left from a high position, inside, up, and under, and then drop it, and then walk down the fairway. Feel like you're on a downhill lie. In fact, get out further with whoever cameras you're going to rent. But almost have it so he's angled on a slight downhill. If you can find a tee box, let's say he's out playing, and you're walking off the tee box and you're going down the fairway. You say, hey, Spencer, let's hit another ball. But have it so he's still angled like that, drop the right foot back, and then he's there, and then it's through there, and have the club, you drop it straight down. You don't want it to have it, this is George Newsom. There's ways that you can do that. So his club would drop like straight down. You want yours to drop this way, but you don't want it back here. And he's not doing that. He didn't do it there. I'm saying 3 years, your son, hey, Spencer, maybe 2 years. We'll allow you 3 years to get some backers. Now, I'm having a mind fart. Julio Nutt. I like to be able for you to meet him. He's Jim McLean Golf School. That's whatever you want to do with your golf game and your help and all that. And I have a gentleman I did some programming for, and helped him online. He's in Georgia. He's probably a millionaire. And I've told him about you. But no, that's it. So you want to think about your golf swing in that way. You really do. You want to think of it as like you're the golf hole. You're the golf flag, and you see this guy hitting the golf ball towards you. That's probably how Ben Hogan's caddies felt. What you experienced, what the camera experienced. That's absolutely what the caddy was seeing. Yeah. So anyhow, you guys take care. You're doing great. Yeah. So just walk up and around. Have the club up in here. Right foot, left foot, stare. Get the damn camera out further. Then drop your right foot back. Bring it in. I like that. You see what you're doing with your waggle? You see how good that looks now? Because you're getting over here and you're getting excited, getting excited. The more you got excited, the more you were closing yourself off. Anyhow, we're talking probably 700 days. It's not that far. Keep playing. Just work on these small adjustments. You don't have to then think about anybody else's golf swing. You don't need to. You just want to refine this so you're planted. You got everything geared in there, and you're sensing. You're sensing this. Once it does here, the golf club or face or instrument does shallow a little bit, and then you're on it, and then you want that right foot back a little bit, and then you're going to get that last kick. See, if you get too squared up on that right foot, okay, it helps you to a certain degree, but then once it starts really gunning, and when it starts pushing, you're going to hurt your back, you're going to launch up. You don't want to launch up, you want to launch forward. So anyhow, you guys take care. God bless you. I hope maybe you can get that camera or your phone fixed. Bye-bye.